Hi and welcome to this Key Learning Initiative video. Today's topic, square and cube roots. So let's look at our rule. If I have the square root of a to the power of n, that equals a to the power of n divided by 2. And if I have the cube root of a to the power of n, that equals a to the power of n divided by 3. So basically you can see if there's a root sign, a square root, a cube root, or any other root, it means divide in your exponents. So let's look at some examples. Example 1. The square root of x to the power of 6. So we have x to the power of 6. It's a square root sign, so it's divide, and it's, as I said, a square root, so it's divided by 2. Therefore, it's equal to x to the power of 6 divided by 2 is 3. Let's look at example 2. Here we have the cube root of 21,952. Let's look at how we do this. Firstly, we write 21,952 as a product of its primes. Therefore, we can say it equals 2 to the power of 6 times 7 to the power of 3. And we rewrite it. Cube root of 2 to the power of 6 times 7 to the power of 3. Next, we take 2, it's the power of 6. Now we are rooting it, so it's divide, and it's the cube root, so it's divided by 3. So it's 2 to the power of 6 divided by 3. Multiplied by 7. 7 has an exponent of 3. It's a root, so we divide, and it's a cube root, so we divide by 3. Now, 2 to the power of 6 divided by 3 is 2, times by 7, and 3 divided by 3 is 1, so it can just stay blank there. That gives us 2 times 2 is 4, times 7 is 28. Example 3. The square root of 256 y to the power of 10. So, first thing we do is write 256 as a product of its primes, and that gives us 2 to the power of 8. So we rewrite it as the square root of 2 to the power 8 y to the power of 10. Now, we work the same way as we've done previously. This gives us 2 to the power of 8, it's a root, so it's divided, and it's a square root, so it's divided by 2, times y is an exponent of 10, it's a root, so it's divide, and it's a square root, so it's divided by 2. Therefore, we have 2 to the power of 8 divided by 2 is 4, times y, 10 divided by 2 is 5. Lastly, 2 to the power of 4 is 16, y to the power of 5. So, thank you for watching this Key Learning Initiative video on square and cube roots. I hope you have found it helpful. Please like and share so that more and more people can watch these videos.